Are you struggling with weight loss? Do you need help with your weight? What if you lived a lifestyle where there was no more food deprivation, no more crazy eating rules, no more confusing diets, and no more calorie counting? Let me show you a huge secret to lose weight, be happier, and save money with a morning ritual that takes less than 7 seconds to do. Losing weight is one of the hardest tasks to accomplish by most of us. We diet, exercise, try eating strict meals each day, then starve ourselves, hoping to find that perfect combination to lose weight and keep it off completely. Unfortunately, the older we get, the harder it becomes to take off those unwanted pounds, while still enjoying some sort of quality of life. While you can follow a low-calorie diet and never have that pie you love so much, your quality of life is suffering. Perhaps you cut out the carbs and never enjoy the flavor of your grandmother's special recipe. Maybe you dedicate yourself to spend hours each day in the gym rather than with your family just to see that scale lower. Today I prefer to share an easier, amazing solution for you to take. This powerful 7 seconds fat-burning formula contains proven natural ingredients to improve your weight loss potential. You will start to feel like food is your friend, not your enemy, and never diet again. The new 7 seconds fat-burning ritual will assist you in losing the weight you haven't been able to shed for years, building physical strength and confidence in your body, gaining mental confidence, no longer hiding your gifts and talents, letting go of food confusion, learning what to do, how to do it, getting off the diet roller coaster once and for all, and never looking back. Take action. I challenge you to start today and join the thousands of people who have reached their health and weight loss goals by following this secret 7-second formula. I know the struggle of having to gauge the strength of furniture before sitting down. I understand your weight problem. I have been there growing up. At my heaviest, I was 300 pounds at 13 years old. As a very social boy, it was all the little things I couldn't do as a teenage boy hanging with my friends. I couldn't just borrow a friend's hoodie or jacket because it most likely wouldn't fit. I couldn't just sit on a friend's lap for fun. I couldn't just run away from friends holding a gross bug. I couldn't just sit on a folding chair at outside picnics because it might bend or break. I couldn't just randomly skip. I couldn't get piggyback rides from my friends. I couldn't just go to amusement parks without doing diligent research on weight limits beforehand. I couldn't go clothes shopping with my friends. I would just stick to the shoes and accessories section when we went out. The truth is, being overweight is a health crisis. In most cases it is often associated with emotional issues, such as sadness, anxiety, and depression. In 2010, a study found that people who were overweight had a 55% greater risk for developing depression over the course of their life than people who weren't overweight. Additionally, excessive weight gain is linked to an increased risk of negative psychosocial consequences that may also contribute to poor body image. Examples of such consequences include low self-esteem, body dissatisfaction, and disordered eating. This can even cause problems into your marriage or love life. Honestly, being overweight is really difficult, and I know how bad it can affect the quality of life. I understand how painful it is to have a physical representation of your addiction or weakness that everyone can see. Most problems can be hidden to a certain extent, but being overweight is like a 24/7 billboard for your emotional eating. Everything takes a lot more effort to do, like to walk upstairs, getting out of your car or a low sofa, doing household chores, and even walking your dog. What's even harder is the constant disappointment of friends and family when they see you. Every day you come home from college or work, and it's the same cycle of questions every day. Did you eat healthy? What did you have for lunch? What's your weight? Just stuff like that. People define you as being overweight like it's the only important fact about you. But you don't have to go through that anymore. There is now a new, powerful way to burn fat, lose weight faster than ever while improving the quality of your life. You will feel amazing once you experience this secret weight loss formula. You will feel physically and mentally strong, capable of taking on any challenge without worrying that your energy levels or body weight will get in your way. You too can start to run around with your kids, or grandchildren, without feeling any pain, winded, or tired, and you can do it over and over again. You will excitedly book that dream beach vacation without wondering how you'll look or feel in a swimsuit, or walking along the beach. You can look forward to having your picture taken without being shocked at how different you actually look from how you imagine yourself to look. You too can ditch the food rules, drop the fad diets and conflicting advice. I challenge you today to take a quick minute and visit this amazing, shocking and exclusive weight loss formula that can save your life as it has saved thousands before. Burn fat, and lose weight now. To know more or to get started today, visit the link in the video description and transform your life. Take action.